Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to delete your BingX account. If you want to get rid of your BingX account and its database, go ahead and launch open the BingX application on your mobile device and log into your account. You can also go to bingx.com on a web browser. After getting to the main homepage and after you are logged into the account, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, scroll all the way down until you see the Security Center option and tap on it. Under Security Center, go to the bottom under Account Management and tap on Delete Account. After you get to this page, go through the information first. Deleting your account is permanent and your transaction history and data may not be recoverable, so make sure to make a wise decision. Make sure to withdraw any funds and close open positions before requesting your account deletion. And after you have made sure all of those are done, and if you are sure you would like to delete account, tap on Apply for Deletion at the bottom. Soon after you apply for deletion, it may take some time to process your request depending on the support queue, and your account will therefore be deleted. And that is how you easily delete your BingX account if you no longer wish to continue using it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.